It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay? Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade. Yeah, chase those clouds away. It's a brand new day. Hey. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Okay, okay. My whole life got them hand-me-downs, but what that meant was I had my family round. And sometimes I can't help but frown. Then I remember what I meant for. It's so simple, I just say, gotta just celebrate. It's gonna be a-okay. Life's too short to waste away. One step at a time's all it takes, okay. It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay? Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade. Yeah, chase those clouds away. It's a brand new day. Hey. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. I'm acting brand new. You can tell that bad news. It can go in van moves. I'ma be like achoo. I'm allergic to a bad.
Hello guys! So, kamusta na po kayo lahat dyan? So, welcome po again sa another drone day natin. By the way, my name is Noel and I'm a drone flyer. So, bakit nga ba drone flyer, no? Ewan ko rin. Naisip ko lang kasi mahilig ako magpalipad ng drone. So, anyway, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tone Sports Ground. Kung makikita nyo guys, napakalawak again ng ating pagpapalipad ng drone. So, bumaba po ako ngayon dito po sa ilalim ng tulay. Yan, tulay po yan. Itong tulay na to guys ay connected po yan sa Gunma, ay sa Ota. At papunta po yan sa Tumagaya, Saitama, no? So, nandito tayo ngayon guys dahil gusto natin again paliparin itong drone na to, si DJI Mini SE, para makapture lang po kahit konti dito po sa Tone Sports Ground. Matagal na po ako dumadaan dito sa tulay na to, pero first time ko pong bumaba dito. Kaya parang naninibago ako, paano ba dito? Ano bang gagawin ko dito? So hindi ko na po papatagalin, no? Paliparin na po natin ito since maganda naman po yung panahon at hindi po siya mahangin. So i-take na natin itong opportunity na to na paliparin ang ating DJI Mini SE. Tara, samahan niyo ko.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so tapos na tayo magpalipad dito po sa Tone Sports Ground. Yan, so ginamit po natin yung orbit ng Litchi application. So nakita nyo naman po kung gaano kaganda habang nag-orbit yung ating drone sa taas. And especially nagpalipad tayo ng kahit konti, no? Iniiwasan lang kasi natin na mawalan siya ng signal at baka bigla na lang po siya bumaksak. So pinalipad lang natin siya kahit konti dito, and especially nakapag-rocket shot din tayo, no? Dito po sa ilalim ng tulay. So ayun na yun guys, no? At least na pasyal ko kayo again at napakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano kalawak dito sa Tone Sports Ground. So again, salamat po muli. So yun lang, maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo parate, no? Kung bago lang po kayo dito, please do subscribe, no? Especially ring the bell button, yung all, para lagi kayong updated. Again, maraming salamat po. Ingat kayo. God bless.